If you're over 60 and eating walnuts for your heart or brain health, you're already doing something smart. But here's what most people don't realize. Even healthy foods like walnuts can cause problems when eaten the wrong way, especially as your body changes with age. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 common walnut mistakes seniors make and how to fix them safely. Because after 60, it's not just what you eat, it's how, when, and how much. Let's get started. Walnuts are nutrient-dense. Just 1 ounce, about 7 walnut halves, contains around 180 calories and healthy fats. Now those fats are good for your heart, but your digestive system slows down with age. Eating large portions can lead to bloating, loose stools, and unintended weight gain. The simple rule? Stick to 1 ounce per day. Think of walnuts as a supplement-sized food, not a snack bowl you keep refilling. Best way to eat them? Pair with fruit or yogurt for easier digestion. Moderation isn't restriction, it's strategy. This is one most seniors don't think about. Walnuts are high in fat and fiber. Both can slow stomach emptying. That means if you take medications for thyroid, blood pressure, heart conditions, and eat walnuts at the same time, absorption may be delayed. To be safe, leave at least a 1 to 2 hour gap between walnuts and important medications. A great time? Mid-afternoon. Avoid eating them right before bed. Slower nighttime digestion can cause mild discomfort. Walnuts are rich in plant-based omega-3s. That's fantastic unless you're already taking fish oil, eating fatty fish daily, on blood thinners. Too much omega-3 combined with certain medications can increase bleeding tendency in sensitive individuals. This doesn't mean avoid walnuts. It means if you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor about portion size. Balance is key. More is not always better, especially after 60. Walnuts contain delicate oils. Those oils can go rancid if exposed to heat, light, or air. Rancid nuts lose nutritional value, may cause digestive irritation, taste bitter or sharp. How to store properly? Buy small quantities. Keep in airtight glass container. Store in refrigerator. Freeze for long-term storage. Fresh walnuts should smell mild and nutty, never sour or paint-like. If they taste bitter, throw them out. Food allergies can develop later in life. Early symptoms may include mouth tingling, mild rash, stomach discomfort. If you're introducing walnuts for the first time, start small, 2 or 3 halves daily for a few days. If you notice unusual symptoms, stop and consult your healthcare provider. Never ignore your body's signals. Here's a simple routine you can follow. 7 walnut halves per day. Best time? Mid-afternoon. Store in fridge. Keep away from medication timing. Balance with rest of diet. Consistency matters more than quantity. Studies consistently show that moderate nut consumption is linked with better heart health and cognitive aging. You don't need extremes. You need a steady, sustainable habit. Walnuts are powerful, but after 60, smart eating beats aggressive eating. Avoid these 5 mistakes: overeating, poor timing, overlapping supplements, bad storage, and ignoring reactions. Small adjustments today can protect your heart and brain for years to come. And next week, we're covering the 5 avocado mistakes seniors make. You won't want to miss that one. Stay healthy, stay informed. But before you go, let me share something very important. Because knowing the mistakes is only half the story. What truly makes walnuts powerful after 60 is how you integrate them into your daily routine in a sustainable way. Let's go a little deeper. After 60, digestion changes, stomach acid production may decrease, gut motility slows, and certain foods that were easy to digest in your 40s may now feel heavy. So instead of eating walnuts alone on an empty stomach, try this. Option 1, chop them finely and sprinkle over oatmeal. Option 2, add crushed walnuts to plain yogurt with a few berries. Option 3, soak walnut halves in water for 4 to 6 hours before eating. Soaking can slightly soften the texture and may make them easier to digest for some seniors. Remember, it's not just about nutrients. It's about comfort and absorption. If your stomach feels good, your body benefits more.
There are times when you may want to pause walnut intake briefly. For example, if you're experiencing active digestive upset, diarrhea, a recent stomach infection, or post-surgery recovery, especially abdominal surgery. High-fat foods can sometimes slow sensitive digestion. Also, if you are scheduled for surgery and taking blood thinners, always discuss nut intake with your doctor beforehand. Walnuts are healthy, but context matters. Now, here's something interesting. Many seniors fear nuts because of calories. Yes, walnuts are calorie-dense, but research consistently shows that moderate nut consumption does not automatically lead to weight gain. Why? Because walnuts increase satiety, reduce unhealthy snacking, provide stable, lasting energy. The key is simple. Replace empty snacks. Do not add walnuts on top of biscuits, fried snacks, or processed sweets. Swap them. Replacement, not addition. That's the strategy.
You've probably heard walnuts are brain food, and there's a reason. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3, polyphenols, vitamin E, and powerful antioxidants. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to cognitive decline. But here's the honest truth. Walnuts are not a magic pill. They support brain health gradually when combined with regular walking, quality sleep, social interaction, and blood pressure control. Food works best as part of a system. After 60, lifestyle synergy matters more than any single superfood. Heart disease risk increases with age. Walnuts may help by supporting healthy cholesterol levels, reducing LDL oxidation, improving blood vessel function. But portion control remains crucial. 7 halves per day is enough. More does not mean better arteries. Consistency over months makes the difference, not eating a large handful once a week. Small daily habits protect your future heart. Let's clear up a few myths. Myth number 1, walnuts cause weight gain, not if portion controlled. Myth number 2, older adults can't digest nuts. Not true, but chewing well and proper portioning matters. Myth number 3, more omega-3 is always better. Incorrect. Balance is safer than excess, especially if you take medications. Myth number 4, roasted walnuts are the same as raw. High heat can damage delicate oils. Lightly toasted? Fine. Deep roasted at high temperatures? Not ideal. Simple awareness makes a big difference. If you're new to walnuts, here's a gentle way to begin. Day 1 and 2, 3 walnut halves, mid-afternoon. Day 3 and 4, increase to 5 halves. Day 5 through 7, full portion, 7 halves. Monitor how you feel. No bloating? No discomfort? Then you've likely found your comfortable routine. Slow introduction is smarter than sudden change. After 60, your body becomes more responsive in both good ways and bad ways. Small positive habits create noticeable benefits, and small mistakes create unnecessary discomfort. Walnuts are not a miracle, but when used wisely, they are a powerful ally for aging well. So remember, it's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. If you learned something new today, share this with someone over 60 who cares about their health, because good information shared at the right time can truly change someone's future. Next week, we'll talk about the 5 avocado mistakes seniors make, and some of those may surprise you even more. Until then, stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of your future self, one smart habit at a time.